Welcome back to my channel. So for this video I decided to do a vampy type of look, more for the winter time, but you can definitely wear it any season that you like. Life's too short, so you can definitely do whatever you like with this look. I paired it with a darker lip. Go with a nude lip if you want to, but I think a bold lip just makes the whole look come together. And if you are not part of my channel, I hope you do become one and subscribe. But anyways, with that being said, I will see you guys on my next video. If you are a newbie into makeup and you're just trying to get your hands on a palette, I do recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette because it has beautiful shades. As you can see, you can definitely create beautiful neutral color tones for your eyes. I'm gonna prep my eyes. What I like to do to prep my eyes, I like to go in with any concealer. You can use whatever concealer that you like. I'm gonna be going in with the Fit Me concealer. I just like to go in with a brush and just pretty much blend that all over my eyelids. So going into the Anastasia palette, I'm going to go in with the color Buen Fresco, which is this beautiful pink tone here. That's going to be my transition for my whole eyes. And you want to go with the light hand because this palette tends to be very intense. So definitely go with the light hand and you just want to dab. As you apply the eyeshadow, you want to kind of bring it forward in a back and forth motion, or however you do it. Some people do it in a circular motion, and that's okay too. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I am going to pick up a darker shade. So I'm going to go in with the color Antique Bronze, which is a little bit darker than the one that we used before. And we're just going to focus that more at the outer V. So if you want to create a clean line for your eyes at the corners, you can definitely go in with tape. And now I'm going to grab the E17 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to be going in with the color Cypress Umber, which is a brown shade over here. Just going to apply that at the outer V as well. This is just going to intensify the outer V. We're going to do that to the other eye as well. So what I'm going to do now is create a cut crease. You guys already know that I love to do cut creases. It's my favorite look. So I'm going to go in with any concealer that you like. You guys already know from my previous videos how I do a cut crease. So you can watch those to get like just an in-depth of how I do it. So now that we've done that, we're going to go back to the palette. You want to just let that dry for a little bit. I will pick up the color Primavera, which is this beautiful golden shade. And I'm going to do it with I'm going to pick it up with a flat brush. And just to intensify the color a tad bit more, I like to go in with a Fix Plus or any type of spray just to get the brush wet at first. And we're going to pack the color in the inner part of our eyes. With this brush over here, this one is the E17 brush. We're going to go back to the color Cypress Umber. Just intensify the look a tad bit more and blend these two shades together. And then for my arch of my eyebrows, I am going to grab the color Tempera, which is this one here. And we're just going to put it there. If you want to intensify it a tad bit more, you can definitely go back with a darker shade. Definitely grab any black color that you like, and we're just going to intensify the outer part over here. Make sure that you blend both colors together. Now I'm just going to take the tape off. And you see how it creates like a sharp line. So now that I've done that, you can definitely go with a eyeliner. My camera shut off in the middle of me filming, so I just had to go in and put mascara on and my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be going in with my foundation. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. This one is in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Now this foundation is a tad bit dark on me, but I think it works well. So I'm going to work that into the skin. So if you're looking for an inexpensive foundation, definitely give this foundation a try. It is in a matte finish. So grabbing in a kabuki brush, I am going to go in with the one that I've been using from the Sigma collection, the flat kabuki brush F80, just to blend in my foundation. This foundation actually gives you a nice flawless finish, and it's very light on the skin. You definitely do not feel the foundation at all. If you want more coverage, definitely go in with the second layer because it is more medium to full coverage. Now I am going to put in a concealer. Same thing, I'm going to go in with the same brand from Maybelline. You guys know the concealer that I always go with is sometimes the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade number 25. And apply it all over my eyes. Well, not my eyes, but under my eyes. So just to go make my eye look a little bit more brighter, I know this is probably more than what you need, but you guys know I love my Shape Tape. Cannot go without it anywhere, so I do like that. Just dab a little bit just to give me a little bit more coverage. I'm going to just bring that down my nose, a little bit here, here, and so now I am going to actually try the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. I don't know why I got it in a light shade, but let's just try it and see if it'll work to set my under eye. This might be a little bit too light for me, so I'm just going to give it a fair shot and just go in with it. I actually do like it. It actually does a good job at setting my makeup and not making it look cakey. So if you are looking for a powder, I think you guys should give this powder a try. It's inexpensive. It's from the drugstore as well. So it's also from the Maybelline brand. Wow. I think this has become one of my favorite powders from the drugstore. Very happy about that. So now I'm going to be going in with the underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance again. So for my under eye, I'm going to pick up a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with the E36 brush. I'm going to pick up the color Buen Fresco and bring it underneath my eyes. I am also going to pick the color Antique Bronze. Also bring it underneath my eyes. And the color Cypress Umber. And I'm going to go in with just some plain mascara. These are my favorite ones. This is from Lancome. Going in with my Shade and Light palette. I love this palette from Kat Von D. I actually bought this palette from Marshalls. I'm not going to do the cream contouring for this look, but I'm just going to go straight to my bronzer. What I'm going to do is use this color right here in the middle. So now I'm just going to go in with my highlights. I'm going to go in with the same brand from Maybelline. I know it's a little bit odd that I'm using the same brand, but it's my favorite brand from the drugstore so far, and I've been loving this highlight. So nice. So I'm going to be going in with a fluffier brush. This one is also from Morphe. It's a 510 brush. I know I've used a lot of the brushes from Morphe, but I've been loving it. So definitely, if you want to get your hands on Morphe, they do have a nice brush set for beginners. So definitely give it a try. I can link the Morphe brushes where you can get the whole set down in the description box for you guys. I'm just going to apply a little bit of Fix Plus to the brush. And I'm going to pick up the color Molten Gold from Maybelline. And with my finger, I like to grab a little bit, dot it on the nose, right here. And then with a little bit of my brush, just dust it off. Let me just tap it in the middle of my nose right here. And then dust it off. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of the highlight. Gonna apply it right here at the corner of my eyes, just to bring my whole eye look together. And I am gonna smoke it out a little bit on the bottom part. I'm gonna go in with the 24/7 Glide On eyeliner called Perversion from Urban Decay. I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula blush. This one is called Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in the shade Warm. I believe that's what it's called. Okay. So now for my lips, I am going to go in with a darker lip. I'm going to try this one from Anastasia. This one is the name Potion. I actually found this at Marshalls. I think, was it Marshalls or TJ Maxx? I think it was TJ Maxx where I found this one. From Anastasia. No, actually this was from Marshalls. It was $6.99 at Marshalls. It's a lip gloss. So we're going to see how it applies. So that is pretty much the whole makeup look. I forgot to actually put on my spray, but if you want, you can definitely go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is going to keep your makeup in place so that way it doesn't move around, and that has been my favorite one to use. So give that setting spray a try. If you guys are first time using any palettes, I do recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. It's really good. You really do get nice shades, and for a beginner it's definitely nice because the shades are very beautiful. You can create smoky eyes, you can create neutral eye looks with that palette. So it has definitely become my go-to palette for the entire year. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys don't mind, give this video a thumbs up. It would really appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.